Welcome. In this tutorial, we write a JavaScript program that subtracts one integer from another without using the standard arithmetic operators like subtraction, modulo, division, or addition. Instead, we'll rely entirely on bitwise operations to simulate subtraction. It is a great way to understand how computers actually handle math at the binary level. Let's see how it works. Normally, subtraction is easy with the minus, but here we're going to remove that crutch. We'll use the choose complement method. Subtracting b from a is the same as adding a to the choose complement of b. The twist: we have to perform addition without using the plus, which we'll also achieve with bitwise operations. We start by flipping all bits of b to get its one complement. Then we add a and b using bitwise addition logic. Zo handles the sum and finds the carry bits, and we shift the carry left. The loop continues until there's no carry left. And finally, we add 1 to complete the choose complement subtraction. Think of it like this. You flip B, then perform manual addition and bitwise logic until no carry remains. Once the loop stops, adding 1 completes the transformation from 1's complement to 2's complement, giving us the correct subtraction result. This table shows the transformation process. For example, 200 minus 100 becomes 200 plus approximately 100 plus 1. The intermediate values look strange because of signed integer representation, but the final result is what we get. This bitwise method is close to what actually happens inside a CPU's ALU, which is an arithmetic logic unit. It is useful in low-level programming, hardware solution, simulations, and in systems where normal arithmetic operators are restricted. By applying the choose complement trick and bitwise addition logic, we perform subtraction without using any arithmetic operators. It is a great exercise to deepen your understanding of binary math and low-level computation. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting with bitwise magic in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.